fire truck sound like, Ben? How do you know the fire truck's coming down the street? What's it sound like? Yeah? Let's see your fire helmet. Let's see it on your head. Wow, look at that. That's a nice firefighter helmet. Can you do a little dance for us?
Oh. Sorry.
Can you do a little dance for us, buddy?
Okay.
Christmas is the time when we should get